This is Julie Bancroft and I invite you to call or text me anytime at 541-680-1484. I look forward to working with you. Relax on the spacious composite deck overlooking your riverfront oasis. Immaculate landscaping, multiple outdoor entertaining spaces, finished garden shed, chicken coop, and fenced garden. Nice neighborhood overlooking pasture and rolling hills to the west, private views of the South Umpqua River to the east. Finely finished custom home with bonus room loft. Spacious master suite with door to deck, walk-in closet, and tile shower. Circular drive. RV parking west/hookups. Open house Sun 5 halves from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m.